Good morning, students. Now we will start chapter 4, acid, bases and salt. You know about acid? Acid are acid contain in the substances whose taste are sour. The word acid comes from the Latin word acer, which means sour. The acid in these substances are nature acids. So you have different types of acid like hydrochloric acid found in stomach, sulfuric acid found in car batteries, nitric acid found in bomb, crackers, explosives, acetic acid used as a vinegar, carbonic acid in Pepsi's, Coca, sodas, phosphoric acid flavoring common acids, formic acid ant stings, citric acid found in lemons, orange, lactic acid found in curd, oxalic acid found in spinach vegetables, ascorbic acid found in amla citrus fruits, tartaric acid found in tamarinds, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Common acid is citric acid found in citrus fruits used as preservatives, lactic acid found in curd, acetic acid found in vinegars, carbonic acid found in soft drinks, hydrochloric acid found in our stomach that help in the food digestion. Now base. Base are bitter in taste. Soapy touch. You feel soapy feelings when you touch the base. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. All alkalis are base, but all bases are not alkalis. Alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water. When we check or test the substance is acidic or base, so we have some indicators. We will read them later. About base, you know, those substances which are bitter in taste. When you rub the solution between fingers, it feels soapy on touching, are known as base. Example of base are detergent, baking soda, drain cleaners, anti-acid base, ammonia soaps, lime water, milk of magnesium. There are some name of the bases. Sodium hydroxide found in soaps, drain cleaner. Magnesium hydroxide found in antacids. Aluminium hydroxide found in antacid and deodorants. Calcium hydroxide found in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide found in window cleaners. Magnesium hydroxide found in milk of magnesia. Ammonium hydroxide common base.